going to do the installation of Sierra charts. If you wouldn't mind showing us exactly how this works from start to finish.
Upon getting your email, you will download the Vici Trading Solution software, which is an exe file, and you should be able to find it in your downloads folder. Simply open this file, and it'll start walking you through the installation process. Click yes, you want to allow the software to make edits to your site. It brings up the Vici Trading Solutions license manager. Type in your license code that you received in your email, and then click OK, and that will spawn the setup wizard. The setup wizard is fairly straightforward. It basically will put all the software on your C drive at the appropriate place, and it goes through the end user license agreement. So after that, you hit install, hit finish, and that will close the software. And then in your C drive, you will find a new Vici Trading Solutions folder. In that folder, you see several different subfolders. One is this bin folder, you don't have to worry about. This handles the license management. Another for NinjaTrader 8, where you'll find the zip file that you would use to install NinjaTrader, and then Sierra Chart itself. And in the Sierra Chart folder, you'll see this DLL file. Now, to get Sierra Chart to recognize this DLL file and to be able to use the indicators, you need to put this DLL file into your Sierra Chart /data folder. So, a couple different ways of doing this, but right here in my C drive, you can see I have Sierra Chart right here. I can open this in a new tab, and then you can see I've got a data folder, and drop Vici Trading Solutions into the data folder, like that. And once it's in that data folder, the next time you launch Sierra Chart, as you're doing now, you will be able to access the indicators. To get to the indicators in Sierra Charts, right-click, go to Studies, and then Add Custom Study, and you'll see the Vici Trading Solutions live streaming indicators listed here. And then from here, you can click on the one you want to add. You can change its colors, hit Apply, and those will show up right on your screen. If you have any questions, reach out to us via email or hit us up on Discord.